If you want to know how we took this pufferfish and turned it into a delicious, amazing Jamaican delicacy, stick around and watch the rest of this video. Welcome back to Last Beach 365, and in today's video we are doing a Jamaican delicacy. Yes, we are preparing pufferfish, curried pufferfish, or in Jamaica we call it a SoursopFish or a hedgehog, and both of these are the names that are given to the pufferfish in Jamaica, are given because of the spikes that are found on the pufferfish. Now the first step of this recipe is actually going to be boiling your fish. You're going to boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and this is just to loosen the spikes that are found on the fish. The spikes are not going to be a part of the meal. Once you have done that, the next step is to put the fish into your freezer. Now this is to harden the flesh and the skin and to prevent it from coming off on the spikes when you are removing them. Next, we're moving on to actually removing the spikes. This fish here has been removed from the freezer and set to thaw for about a half an hour. After which I use pliers to grab each individual spike, give it a little twist and a pull, and it should come apart freely from the fish without taking much or any of the skin or the flesh with it. Now if you are new to Last Beach 365, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you will be notified of each and every future video. And if you are enjoying the video that you're watching right now, leave a like and also leave a comment. Pick out all of the bobs them out, like all of the spikes them. This we have left. So we're going to cut this up right now. Chop it up. Nothing goes to waste. Everything you see here will be used. These are all the spikes that we took out of this pufferfish. This guy had all these spikes on him. If one of these goes into the bottom of your slipper and you step on it, believe me, it's not a nice feeling. So you make sure so you dispose of it properly. Keep all of them in one place and you dispose of them properly. Alright, so here Uncle Richie is giving me a hand in the preparation of the fish. He's just going to remove the innards right now. So the part that is no good to use or to eat, that's what he's removing.
This is operation time.
Just leave it in there. Don't throw it away. Alright, so basically debone right now. And these are just the skin and the meat left. And that is what we're after. Now at this point we have already removed the spikes, we've removed the guts, and we removed the main bones from the fish. So all that's left here is the flesh and the skin, and Uncle Richie here is just cutting it up into manageable bite-sized pieces. Alright, so now all cut up and ready to get seasoned. All the proper seasoning will now be added. Not too bad for say so small.
That's all.
What kind of curry that? Good old better pack curry.
That's all right.
Alright, so here we have the fish ready to go into the pot. Just a little bit of curry in there. Just about half of the pack of curry. The other half is going to go into the oil that's in the pot. So you put the oil in the pot, make it heat up a little bit. Not much, you don't need much whenever you're doing curry or brown stew or anything like that. Add the second half of the pack of curry to the oil. Make it get hot and burn a little bit. And you add the fish. Now the fish already seasoned with a little bit of seasoning. Just a little bit, you don't need much. A little bit of pepper. Just an onion. Maybe a small piece of sweet pepper. And the reason for that is you're going to get the fish almost completely cooked before you add the rest of your fresh seasoning to it. So right about 10 minutes before you remove it from the fire, we're going to re-season with some scallion, onion, some pepper, piece of thyme, and some garlic. Alright, so the oil just go on hot a little bit. Alright, so just add 1 clove of garlic to the oil. So we start flavor the pot from here, so then we add the curry to the oil itself. Alright, so a little bit of the curry on the fish and the other half in the oil. That go and heat up. Alright, so now you notice the color of the oil. Good. So now you can add your fish to it. There you go. Now when you add your fish to the pot, you don't put any water in there as yet. Close it down with the cover there and you let the fish own juices start to spring, and that is what you're going to use to actually start cooking the fish. After covering your fish, you're going to leave it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, after which you're going to add a half a cup of water and also add your fresh seasoning and let it cook for another 10 minutes, and then it will be ready. This is what we're going to have with our fish. I'll have some breadfruit. So yes, uncle, you ready to take off now? Yeah. Alright people, see it there. Yeah man. So everything a bubble well slow. Well thick. Yeah man. Alright. Good shot. There you go. Now when Uncle Richie finished preparing the fish, I actually left and went fishing, so I didn't eat mine until in the night. So this is me taking care of business after fishing. Yeah man, I'm take care of food right now. Yes, good, very well good though, no joke. Yes, I like the skin of the fish. See how jiggly? Alright, so that is what you're going after with this fish. And this is what it gets.